In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Leo AI data on Brave browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Brave settings to remove your Leo AI conversation data quickly and confidently. This is useful if you want a fresh start, you've been troubleshooting odd responses, or you simply prefer to keep things tidy and private. Start by opening your Brave browser on your computer. Make sure you're on the desktop version, since that's where these settings are located and labeled clearly. Once Brave is open, look to the top right corner of the window for the three-line menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the main menu. This is where Brave stores most of its tools and configuration options. From the menu, click on Settings. That will open a new tab dedicated to your browser's preferences. Settings in Brave are organized in a left-hand sidebar, so you can jump directly to the section you need without hunting around. In the sidebar, click on Leo. Leo is Brave's built-in AI assistant, and this section controls how it behaves and what data it keeps on your device. Opening this page gives you options related to privacy and stored content, including the control we're looking for. Now, click on Clear Leo Data. This action is designed to remove your locally stored Leo AI data, such as previous conversations and related content. It won't affect your general browsing history or bookmarks, and it won't change your browser's core settings. Think of it as resetting just the AI assistant's memory on your machine. When Brave asks for confirmation, click OK. This step makes sure you don't clear anything by accident. After you confirm, Brave will process the request, and the Leo data on your device will be cleared. There's no extra work needed on your part, and you don't have to restart the browser for the change to take effect. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you finish up. If you rely on past chats for reference, be aware that clearing data removes them from your device. Consider saving any important content beforehand. Also, if you don't immediately see the Leo section in the sidebar, it may help to check that you're using a recent version of Brave where Leo is included. That's all it takes. You've opened Brave, used the top right menu to reach settings, navigated to Leo, selected Clear Leo Data, and confirmed with OK. Your Leo AI data is now cleared and you're ready to start fresh.